yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello, welcome back to Live My Wave. We are going to unbox the Cricut Maker and the mini sewing machine. Before we do that, Kevin just went to Dollarama and picked me up a couple more diamond paintings. Got that one.
And this one.
It says, I love you to the moon and back. Cool.
Okay, let's start off with this mini sewing machine.
So, I've seen tons and tons of craft projects, like different cards and stuff, that you sew on. And I do have a regular sewing machine, but I never wanted to pull it out just for doing a paper craft. So this is cool.
Battery operated.
Well, or a cord, but it's not.
Well,
really.
it doesn't come with one.
Yeah.
That's it.
Cute. Yeah. So this puts the foot down and then turn around. This is the on-off button, and then this manually puts the needle up and down.
And then you got your thread
Yeah.
and your tension, right?
Yeah. Cool. I'm excited to play with that. Which I think on Tuesday, Dorothy's going to come over. Well, the day that you're seeing this video. And I think we're going to play with it.
Growing ups playing with their toys.
Well, you like to play with your lawnmower and your snow blower.
No, I actually don't like to play with them because if I'm using them, I'm working. It's not playing. There's a difference.
When you buy something like that, you're hours like, oh, what's this? What's that? Oh, let's look at this.
Yeah.
Ultimate Smart Cutting Machine.
Now this is an older one, but not used very much.
Not that old, like just a few years.
Yes. So I went online and looked, and you can get them. They're going for like just this style, $3.99. They have like open box specials for $2.99. Like there are various different prices.
But this one came with a lot of stuff.
This one came with a lot of stuff. It was a kit that she bought. So.
I think she said that she set it up once, but that's it.
Yeah. Okay. There seems to be some stuff in here. There's a cutting pads and stuff. Some vinyl.
Nice.
Some of the cutting tools that are in here. Power cord. There's something in there.
Well, open it and see what something is.
Oh, it's the cord plugging into the computer. Just different books. Circuit, rotary blade, cap.
Cool. So I'll probably hook it up to my tablet, right? Is that what I'll be using?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
Cutting tool.
Look at all the fancy tools.
There was another tool in that other box. And I don't know if it actually
Scissors.
if it goes with this or not.
And tweezers. And a picker. Yes. And guess some sort of marker. So what I'm going to do is clear one of my shelves on the shelving and set this up on that. Look at that pretty thing. Now, I've never used one of these, so I have no idea. I'm going to be learning from scratch.
That's one of the cutters.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I'm going to be learning completely from scratch. I know Caroline from Canadian Gal. She has one and loves it.
Oh.
No, that's a.
Okay, that's
It's a smoother thingy majiggy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and actually a few of my kids have them too. Now I don't know what models they have, but Brittany has one, Janelle has one, I think, and Ashley. Yeah, so pretty nifty thing. So what's in the other box you said?
What other box?
I don't know, you said there was another box.
Yeah, in the vinyl. I don't know if it's... I'm not sure if it's...
Let me see.
If it goes with that vinyl or if it's part... It's just a different tool. It's
Oh,
like a picker.
Yeah, it's like
Okay,
you pick out your
Yeah, well, just...
your design.
Yeah,
Yep.
okay.
Yeah. Well, that's cool. Well, folks, it's going to take me a while to figure this out. But whenever I do a project, I will be sure to show you.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty excited. All right. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Yesterday